Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie McBride, and I'm the author of several different materials on using essential oils during the childbearing years or for maternal wellness. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about what these publications are and what you can find in each of them. So the first one is my book, and it's called Essential Oils for Maternal Wellness. It's yellow, and what you'll find in that book is basically everything you need to know guide from the moment you conceive through infant care on how to integrate essential oils into your lifestyle. And in it I include all the safety precautions, including if you have a hospital birth planned or cesarean, or if you're on medication, things like that, concentrations of essential oils. You can come into this book knowing absolutely nothing and feel confident in your knowledge after you put it down. Then I go into each symptom in order that it arises between the period of conception and the first month of infancy. And I go into a little bit more detail. I have a narrative section, which I'm really excited about, where I share my story. And after that, I have an in hindsight section, because I actually didn't use but one essential oil in all 3 of my pregnancies. I just didn't have the knowledge then that I have now. And so I like to share kind of more about the symptoms and what I was doing and what happened. And then, gosh, in hindsight, if I would have known about this oil, like I mean, I'm getting chills now saying it, like my life would have been completely different and easier and changed and enhanced. And so it's a passion of mine to share this with other people now, because it really is a gift to give these oils to someone you love when they're pregnant. It's amazing. So after that, I do go into a bit about quality, about nutritional things that you can bring in. I'm a functional nutritionist, so I like to bring that element into the book, and which oils to use, how to apply them, what their precautions are, and also why is this going on? Why do I have joint pain suddenly? I've never had it in my life. Why do I have it during pregnancy? Like, what's going on a deeper level with my body? And I think that's important, and everyone should know that. My mom used to say, there were no books about pregnancy. Like, you just trusted your doctor. We didn't know what was going on. And I was born in the 70s, so look how much things have changed, where this information is so widely available to everyone. So I have that book, and that's a great tool. And I also have shorter publications, which are more of like easy pick-up reference guides. My pink book is called Essential Oils for Pregnancy, and that puts together 2 of my earlier guidebooks. So it'll include essential blends for the birth kit and birth kit essentials. So basically the whole book is a bunch of charts. So you want to know what carrier oil to use to help with diaper rash? Well, you can look up in the book under carrier oils, and you'll see all of them listed and which one is best for which type of ailment you're working with. And that also includes other carriers like sprays and aloe vera. And I go into each section of pregnancy, like including like 3rd trimester is its own section, labor and delivery, postpartum, nursing, infant care, and then the first 2 trimesters of pregnancy. So all of those have usage charts that are really easy to just look up specific indications for which oils I recommend, how to use them, what the precautions are. So it's really handy. It has all that information in it. It has precautions in it. And that's a little bit longer than my other 2 booklets because it's combined. And finally, I have a tear pad, which is just front and back color copy of sort of a summary of what's in the pink book with all the charts. Just an easy reference, quick guide to take to labor or delivery. You can buy a whole pad with I think 20 sheets in it to hand out if you wanted to do a class on this topic, or you can actually buy one of the laminated versions of it and have it last a little bit longer. Other than that, I also offer an e-course. And that e-course is called Essential Oils for the Birth Kit. And it started out as a training for midwives and other healthcare professionals to get CEU credits in the United States. And it's turned into also have a general track for just the layperson, because so many people want and need this information. So if you'd like to check that out, that will go into just a series of 8, I think 30-minute modules on each part of pregnancy, and it comes with loads of handouts and my bibliography and a lot of additional information. And when you finish that, I feel you'll be extremely confident in educating others on this topic or using it in your own birth. So I hope that you will look at some of my materials. It's been a great pleasure to produce them for you, and really wonderful to talk to everyone about it. So feel free to email me with questions or join my Facebook group, Essential Oils for the Birth Kit, and become part of our larger community. Thanks for listening.